Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 286 Howard Road in Gates.
This is a charming ranch home on a beautiful lot.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is maintenance-free one-floor living. You're greeted with a spacious living room with beautiful hardwood floors and a brick accent wall. Open to an eat-in kitchen with wood cabinetry and adjacent laundry room with great storage. This home also features 2 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors and an adjacent updated full bathroom, plus a sunroom with a wall of windows and backyard access.
For great additional storage, this home features an oversized 2-car garage. Enjoy this expansive, fully fenced-in backyard with a patio. Perfect for entertaining and your pets. For easy access in and out, this home has a driveway on Kencrest Drive, which is a quiet neighborhood street.
This property has an amazing location with easy access to Rochester International Airport, U of R, RIT, and downtown Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 286 Howard Road in Gates.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!